Hey guys, so I basically made these press-on nails for my mom's funeral, and BT Artbox sent me over a PR package, which I'm extremely grateful for because it came right on time. I did not have the courage and the strength to create like a fresh press-on set from scratch because I'm devastated and in my feelings because I'm saddened by my mom. But I decided to use these X-coat tips, and these are like the pink French in extra long, and it comes with instructions and everything. And I'll definitely do a detailed video on this PR package unboxing. It just, unfortunate events happen. So, yeah. So basically, me and my mom have the same nail beds. So thankfully, I was able to create this nail set with these press-on nails. And pretty much eyeball it because I used to do her nails, and my mom used to like her nails done, honey. Her eyebrows, her hair, like she was a diva. She was my diva. So I had to do this one last thing for her, and I'm just so grateful that I got these press-on nails just in time because it saved me so much time, and I've like just been grieving and stuff like that. So, yeah. So basically, what I'm doing, you guys, is measuring out my nail bed because me and my mom had similar nail beds. So I'm just eyeballing it to see which ones would fit best, and then we're gonna go ahead and proceed. So this package comes with about like 5 pairs of press-on nails, so that's definitely a plus. You'll save a lot of money, and for last minute occasions and stuff like that, it comes in clutch. So what I'm doing, you guys, is kind of measuring out my nail bed, and I'm numbering each of the nails that I selected so that the funeral home could easily apply the press-on nails without there being any confusion, and so that they don't place the wrong nails on the wrong finger because that would have bothered me. And y'all know I ain't touching no dead body, so it wasn't gonna work with me doing it. I wish I had the strength, but I just didn't. So I'm just measuring it, and some of them I'm making it a little bit bigger than my nail plate because her nails were a little bit more wider than mine. And I'm just gonna continue with the numbering just so that they know what to do, okay? Because I won't be there to do it. So now I'm pressing down the nail, making it a little bit more flat because her nail plate is a little bit wider than mine. And then I'm going in with this mini hand file, you guys, and this is to get the shape of the cuticle area. They come pretty square, and my cuticle area is round. So if you have a rounder cuticle area, you just want to lightly go in and measure your nail and look at it to make sure it's rounded so that it can look as natural as possible. And then I got a bunch of these little charms that I thought that she would like. And my mom really liked when I used to put gold flakes in her nail because she loved gold and had gold jewelry. So I decided to incorporate the gold flakes because she wasn't that much of a bling girl or nail charm girl, but she liked designs and stuff like that. So I wanted to incorporate that. Now I'm going in with the Betty Cora rhinestone glue, and I'm just gonna apply the flakes with that and then cure it, you guys. And while I'm doing this, I just want to talk to you guys and just encourage you guys to just not be discouraged. um Unfortunately, the only thing that's promised to us is death, like, which is really sad. But you can't let grief and sadness take you over to the point where you're not reaching your goals and chasing your dreams. My mom was sick for a really long time, and the last couple of years took a huge toll on me. Like, I gained a lot of weight. I was really depressed. I wasn't consistent on my channel, and I really let it take a lot out of me. And I just want to tell y'all, whoever it is, even if it's one person, don't be discouraged. Keep pushing. Like, don't stop going to the gym. Work out when you feel frustrated. Try to get into like a show. If you're religious, get more into your spirituality and kind of keep yourself leaning on God so that you can continue to strive and be positive. But you guys, I'm just going in and just applying the charms to the nail, and I just decided to just randomly do just different charms, things that I thought that she would like. I put some crosses in there. I also did like this rosary looking cross, and I felt like that was cute and that she would like it. But this nail set kind of gave me strength and it comforted me and it kind of made me want to keep following my dreams because I know that my mom would want me to do that. And I know that I sound really sad, you guys, but just know that I'm gonna be okay. Like, I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna start working on myself because unfortunately, life goes on. And I know that my mom wouldn't want me just dwelling on what has happened. She would want me to push, and I'm gonna make her proud. So, if any one of you guys lost your parent or a loved one, I'm gonna be praying for y'all. Y'all pray for me because it's really, really tough. And I applied these love charms because I just love my mom and I felt like it just fit the occasion. This is the last thing that I was able to do for her. And y'all, I just, I don't know. But, anyways, y'all, I'm not about to cry. We not crying today. But anyway, y'all, this rosary cross charm is so cute. It was my favorite out of the whole set. And comment down below which one was your favorite. But this one was my favorite one. It's so cute and just fit like the aesthetic that my mom liked. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply like one more charm to the nail. And then I think we're gonna be done. This was really quick, you guys. I'm just doing a quick video just so I could get like my content together. I don't want to completely be like grieving and not uploading. But I went in with the Madam Glam top coat, and shout out to Madam Glam because they sent me this top coat as well, and I absolutely love it. It's my favorite top coat. It's super slippery, super glossy, and it just makes the nail look really, really good. And this is the final results, y'all. I absolutely love them, and I know that my mom would have loved them too. But y'all be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, y'all, we staying positive. We're gonna keep pushing. I love y'all, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.